Okay, everyone, I'm back, and my final video for this chapter is on Poisson distribution. And so the Poisson distribution is used to calculate the probability of a certain number of events occurring within a specific amount of time. And so Px, the probability of x, is the probability of exactly x occurrences over that interval, right? So x is the number of occurrences of interest. Mean is lambda is the mean number of occurrences, and E is a constant, and it is 2.171828. And then this formula is the formula for calculating that probability. Lambda to the x power times e to the negative lambda divided by x factorial. So let's talk about the example that's given in your book. And in your book, I'm in section 5.3. And there's a great explanation of Poisson process in this section. So I strongly suggest that you read it. And then the author talks about playing a round of golf, and Brian, being the golfer that he's referring to, Brian loses the mean number of balls that he would lose during a round of golf is 4.2. So he's telling us that lambda, I'm going to change my pen up. He's telling us that in this particular problem that lambda is equal to 4.2, because that's the mean number of balls that Brian will lose. And he wants to know what is the probability that Brian will lose 2 balls during a round of golf. And that is going to be equal to 4.2, given this formula, right? 4.2 to the x, which is 2 times e to the negative lambda, right? Which is 4.2 divided by 2 factorial. All right, and so given this situation, this all works out to be, and this is also in your book, 0.1323. So the probability of Brian losing 2 balls during a round of golf is 13.2. So it's a 13.2% chance that he will lose exactly 2 golf balls during a round of golf. And again, you can use your if you have a business calculator that you'd like to use, you can use your business calculator. I prefer to do these problems using Excel. So let me give you the Excel formula. And so the Excel formula for this is right, and then x lambda, and then cumulative. And then let's talk about this cumulative again. So if the cumulative is false, I'm asking you for just this one instance, right? If it's true, then I'm asking you for multiple instances. And so if it's true, I am asking you for, if I said, what's the probability that Brian loses, I would say 4 balls. Less than 4 or less balls, I'd be asking you for the probability of 0 plus the probability of 1 plus the probability 2 plus the probability of 3 plus the probability of 4, right? And you would be using cumulative. So if you did this particular situation, you would have 4, 4.2, and true, because that's cumulative up to 4 balls, right? And then you have a your turn exercise in this section. I would strongly encourage you to do that as well. And I think Excel is a great way to do these problems and these exercises. All right. If you have any questions, please let